Create 4K images with Gemini AI and ChatGPT. Now, how to create 4K images with Gemini AI and ChatGPT. This is step by step. So, wait till the end to know everything. And here to do it, first what you do is to generate an image using your Gemini AI. Here, any image you like and you want to turn into 4K. Now here you can see the image I generated and download it like this by clicking this three line icon here and click on download here, download image. You can see and download it, or by downloading it on the top side here on the side of the image here and click on download. And here to make this possible by generating 4K images, what you do now here, we will use this three prompt in order to make it possible. You can see the three prompt. The first one is to split the image on ChatGPT. The second one is to change it, and the third one is to combine it. And here to do it, we will need help of ChatGPT. Now here, let me open a new tab here and go to ChatGPT like this. You can see now here, upload the image by clicking this icon here. Click on add photo here and add it. You can upload it in your computer anyhow. Here you can see now, tap on it like this and then click on done and then wait for it to upload. Now after uploading it, now let's use the first prompt to split it into 4 parts here like this in order to get the 4K resolution here. Now here you can see the prompt on the screen. Now use it here by tapping here and then paste it here. What you do now is to send it here. In order to split it into 4 parts here like this by sending it by clicking this icon here. Now wait for ChatGPT to do its work. Now here ChatGPT will give you a retrieve link in order to download each part. Here you can see we will download each part like this by clicking all this icon here, as you can see, and download all like this. Now after downloading each part here, you can see now here what to do now here is to go back to Gemini here by opening the tab here and then click on Gemini here. Here what you do now inside Gemini is to here use this second prompt in order to upgrade it here, in order to upgrade each part to 4K here like this. Now open a new chat on Gemini. Now here upload each part individually and upgrade it individually using this prompt here. Let me upload the picture like the top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. Upload each part individually like this by clicking this icon here, and then click on upload files here and then click on photos and some video here if you're using mobile. First we upload the top left like this. Now paste the second prompt here. You can see now make sure you are using the thinking version here. You can see make sure it is in thinking version here. Now click on the send icon. Now what you do now, do this for each part individually. Now here is the final result. What you do now here is to download each one individually like this and rename it to each part here like this. Click on download here. You can see here and rename it in your file storage to avoid confusion here. Now rename each part based on how it is split, like the top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. Rename each one based on how it is split in order for you to remember it. This is how it will be after renaming it in your file manager or file storage. Now go back to ChatGPT. Now here on ChatGPT, what we do now is to upload it like this here, or each part here like this. You can see. Now upload it here. You can see here and then click on done. You can see I select it all here and then you can see it is uploading. Now wait for it to complete the upload. In case it is delaying to upload it individually one by one. You can see here and do the same for the remaining three by following the same process here. If it's delaying, I'll skip it here to speed time. Now after uploading it all, use this prompt here in order to stitch it together and create full 4K image here. Now send it by clicking the send icon here. Wait for it. As you can see, it is using the code to interpret it. And here you have showed us the link in order to download it. So let's download it and check if it's created perfectly. And here open. Now here is the final result. You can see here after downloading it. Here you can see the image quality here. You can see the image resolution is 4840 pixels. You can see here resolution by pixel 4106. You can see here. See the image here. You can see it. See the 4K resolution. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Check out the playlist to know everything on how to use Gemini AI based on Google tutorials. Now see you.